Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to do how to record a meditation in Audacity. Okay, so I've got Audacity open. It comes up with a screen where you just have to click OK or something, and then it goes straight into it. Okay, so the best thing to do is have your music ready before you start. Decide which one you're going to use and check the volume. Don't just check the volume at the beginning, play it a bit, because it sometimes goes louder in different sections. I've already done that, so I'm just going to pause that again, make sure it's at the beginning. I'll go back into Audacity. Now you have to be really quick because you need to start your music before you start talking, but you can chop the first bit off. So I'm going to just press play. Oh, that's no good. I need to start it at the beginning. I'm not going to worry about that because I can chop that bit off in a minute. Right, so I'm going to start again. And I'm going to click on Audacity. Obviously you wouldn't be talking at this point, would you really? And then I'm going to do, oh, it's not actually recording yet. Sorry, I've done it the wrong way around. I'll start again. Oh, dearie me. I've not got my brain in gear today. Do apologise. Right, we'll use a different one, I think. No, we won't. We'll use that one. Make sure it's at the beginning. Right, so we go to Audacity, we press record, then we press play. Right, so I press record. So you'll see it's recording my voice at the moment. And then I'm going to play the music. Go back to Audacity. And you'll see when there's any noise, you get these bits here. I don't know what you call them really, like showing the sound waves. When it's just the music, it tends to just be a straight line. I'll just leave it so you can see. Okay, so it's picking up everything, and it will pick up the slightest noise, you know, so don't click on your keyboard or anything like that, or have your phone vibrating, because it will pick it up. So basically I would start straight away. Hello and welcome to your meditation today. Make sure you're lying or sitting in a comfortable position. Blah de blah de blah de blah de blah, and all the meditation. Okay, you can leave it with some music at the end. It's best to leave a minute or two rather than cutting it off dead, as I've done a couple of times. It doesn't sound very good. Or you could leave quite a length of music at the end if you want people to sort of lie there for a while. But you should always bring people back out of the meditation. Okay, so I've just finished my meditation. All I do now is just press stop. You can pause it, but of course if you pause it, then you're not going to get your music in the right place again. So it's not a good idea. So you really need to try and do it in one take. I normally manage to do mine in 1 or 2 takes, to be honest. The only thing that usually stops me is when the dogs start barking. Okay, so I'll start it again. I'll press stop. I've just finished my meditation and that stopped it. The music's still going in the background, but it's not recording it. And then all I do then is I do file, export audio. Let me just turn my music off actually, because it's a bit distracting. Go back to Audacity. And then you give it a name. So we'll just call it, normally you'd call it whatever kind of meditation it was, meditation. Okay, save that. Oh, it's saying it already exists. Say yes, because this is my second attempt. Always fill this bit in, because if you don't, it will come up with some weird title that you just don't recognise. Probably it'll pick up sometimes it picks up the title of the track instead. So was it Shine or Divine Love or something? It might pick that up. So always fill this bit in, and then it will show on your file what it is. So then I'd call it Say if it was my abundance meditation, I'd just call it that. Okay, and then you just click OK. Oops. And it will export it. Okay. Or one thing I was going to show you as well, if you wanted to crop any of it, that's quite easy to do as well. Just click on View at the top in the menu, and then, sorry, no, yes it is. Go to Selection Start, so that goes right to the beginning. And I'm just going to play it from the beginning, and we'll get that bit where I was talking that we want to cut out. So you see it's recording my voice at the moment, and then I'm going to play the music. Record. Okay, so that's the bit we want to, hold on. Record, so you see it's recording my voice at the moment, and then I'm going to play the music. Right, so that's the bit we want to cut out. Oh, I hate it when it does that. Hold on, there we go. Right, so all we do, we just drag from the left, click and drag from the left what we want to cut out. Okay, so you know, you could actually make a mental note of where it starts. I didn't make a note of where the music started, did I? Highlight it and then do edit, delete. Okay, let's try it from there. Oops. And then play. Back to Audacity. And you'll see when there's any noise. So that's how you do it. So you know, if you want to cut anything off the beginning or the end, if it was the end, you just go View, go to Selection End, and then you can cut it off there. It's difficult to cut anything from the middle because it'll make your music be quite out of sync. So you know, you tend to just use it from the beginning and the end. So you just do that before you exported it. But I could export it again. You know, even though I've already done it once, I could export it again with the corrections. And that's all there is to it, okay? And then you've got an MP3 file, which is easy to upload. I'm just going to try and, try and find it. I've saved it on my desktop. Oops. So it should be there somewhere. I've got that many things open. Where is it? There we go. Meditation MP3. So then you can just record, so you see if you click on it, recording my voice at the moment, it will play there, and if you double click on it, record, so you see it opens it on mine. It opens it in iTunes. See, and then I'm going to play the music because I've got a Mac. I don't know whether it would do that on a Windows PC, but you can just upload that file anywhere you want to save. And you'll see when there's any noise. That's where I have to go into iTunes and and stop it from there. That's all there is to it. It really is easy to use. Okay, if you've got any questions, just pop them in the group. Bye for now.